sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to...
Introducing Carlock, an advanced vehicle security and monitoring system designed to give you complete peace of mind, whether you're at home, at work, or miles away from your car. This smart device connects seamlessly to your smartphone and keeps a vigilant eye on your vehicle 24/7. The moment anything suspicious occurs, such as someone starting your engine without permission, moving the vehicle, tampering with or removing the Carlock device, or if the system detects any strange vibrations, you are immediately notified through real-time alerts on your mobile device. These instant notifications ensure that you can act quickly to prevent theft or damage. But Carlock isn't just about security. It also serves as a personal driving assistant by analyzing and tracking your driving behavior. It continuously monitors things like rapid acceleration, sudden braking, sharp turns, and speeding. Over time, it compiles this data and provides you with a detailed monthly report card summarizing your driving habits. This can help you become a more responsible and efficient driver, while also being a valuable tool for parents of teen drivers or fleet managers keeping tabs on employee driving. With Carlock, you're not only protecting your vehicle, but also gaining deeper insight into how it's being driven, making it a powerful all-in-one solution for safety, awareness, and control. Imagine transforming your everyday drive into a safer, more high-tech experience with just one compact device. The Hudway Drive head-up display is designed to do just that. By projecting critical driving information directly onto your windshield, it eliminates the need to glance down at your phone or dashboard. This futuristic tool brings essential data like your speed, navigation directions, and important notifications into your natural line of sight, helping you stay fully focused on the road ahead. It's like driving with a co-pilot that keeps you informed without ever distracting you. Setting up the Hudway Drive is quick and hassle-free. All it takes is placing the device on your dashboard using its secure magnetic base. Once positioned, you simply plug it into your car's 12-volt power outlet and connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth using the Hudway app. In moments, your car is upgraded with a feature once reserved for fighter jets. The display is clear, responsive, and perfectly placed, so you never need to divert your attention. Whether you're navigating a busy city or cruising down the highway, this head-up display ensures a seamless, distraction-free driving experience that prioritizes both convenience and safety. It's a smart, stylish addition to any vehicle, bringing the future of driving to your car today. The Handpresso Auto redefines the way coffee lovers experience their favorite brew on the go by bringing the convenience and quality of a barista-style espresso directly into your car. This compact, 12-volt powered espresso machine is designed with travelers and commuters in mind, eliminating the need for subpar gas station coffee or the hassle of searching for a cafe while on the road. Simply plug the device into your vehicle's power socket, fill it with water and an espresso pod or ground coffee, and within just 2 minutes, you'll be enjoying a rich, aromatic espresso with cafe-level quality. Built with both performance and portability in mind, the Handpresso Auto heats water to an optimal 96 degrees Celsius and operates with a powerful 16-bar pressure system, just like a traditional espresso machine. It delivers a smooth, robust shot of espresso that rivals what you'd find at your favorite coffee shop. Its clever design is compact enough to fit easily into a standard cup holder or glove compartment, making it an ideal choice for road trips, camping adventures, early morning commutes, or long-distance travel. Whether you're driving cross-country or just heading to work, the Handpresso Auto ensures that a premium coffee experience is always within reach. It's a must-have for anyone who appreciates quality coffee and values convenience without compromise. With this innovative device, your perfect espresso is never more than a few minutes away, no matter where the road takes you. Cleaning the inside of your windshield has always been a tricky and uncomfortable task, often involving awkward bending and stretching. However, the Magic Turtle completely changes the game by cleaning your windshield from the outside, eliminating all that hassle. This clever device tackles bugs, grime, and dirt stuck on the outer surface, while simultaneously cleaning the inside using an incredibly effective microfiber cloth. The microfiber used is so advanced that it not only removes dirt, but also lifts bacteria off the glass, making your windshield genuinely spotless and hygienic without needing any extra cleaning products. The Magic Turtle's smart design incorporates a built-in motor and a dual pressure system, which carefully applies the perfect amount of force to clean delicate surfaces like windshields and even glass shower doors without causing any damage. This means you get streak-free, crystal-clear results quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're driving a luxury car like a Ferrari or managing a gym with lots of glass surfaces, this gadget is an essential tool to keep your windows pristine. It offers an easy, efficient, and effective cleaning solution that saves time and energy, making it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and cleanliness. Protecting your vehicle from the harshest conditions just got easier with the under-vehicle armor. This essential gear is designed to shield critical components like your engine, transmission, and fuel tank from the constant threats posed by rocks, debris, and other road hazards. Whether you're someone who enjoys off-roading or simply needs added protection for daily city driving, this armor provides peace of mind by reinforcing the undercarriage of your vehicle. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in about an hour. Thanks to its pre-drilled holes, the armor bolts directly onto your vehicle's frame without the need for special tools or complicated setups. This means you can enhance your vehicle's durability with minimal hassle and downtime. Crafted from high-strength aluminum, the under-vehicle armor is built to endure extreme temperatures and heavy impacts, ensuring it stays tough no matter how challenging the terrain. Despite its resilience, it's surprisingly lightweight, weighing only around 8.6 kilograms, so it won't slow you down or compromise your vehicle's performance. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or city streets filled with unexpected obstacles, this armor offers a robust layer of defense. It's a practical upgrade that every driver, off-roader, or commuter should consider to protect their investment and enjoy safer, worry-free journeys. The WeatherTech Wheel Assist is a revolutionary device designed to make handling heavy wheels a breeze, eliminating the strain and hassle traditionally associated with this task. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a truck driver, or a passionate DIY car enthusiast, this tool is built to simplify the process of removing and installing wheels, making it faster, safer, and far more efficient. No longer will you need extra help or multiple people to lift those heavy wheels, as the WeatherTech Wheel Assist is engineered to do the heavy lifting for you with ease. Capable of handling wheels weighing up to an impressive 265 pounds, the device features a smooth and powerful hydraulic system that effortlessly raises the wheel, allowing you to focus entirely on precision work rather than the physical effort. This hydraulic mechanism not only saves energy, but also minimizes the risk of injury or damage caused by awkward lifting or dropping heavy wheels. What truly sets this tool apart is its precision control. The WeatherTech Wheel Assist boasts 360-degree rotation and smooth, durable rollers that enable you to align the wheel perfectly with the hub single-handedly. This means no more frustrating struggles trying to line up bolts or hold the wheel steady. With just a simple lift, rotate, and lock motion, you can secure the wheel in place quickly and efficiently. Overall, the WeatherTech Wheel Assist transforms what used to be a cumbersome and labor-intensive process into a smooth one-person job, boosting both safety and productivity in any garage or work environment. The pro-user Diamont FG2 is a robust and reliable bike transport solution designed for cyclists who demand durability, convenience, and security when taking their bikes on the road. Whether you're planning a ride along rugged mountain trails, a coastal adventure, or a smooth city tour, this tow bar-mounted bike carrier offers peace of mind by ensuring your bicycles are safe, secure, and stable throughout the journey. Engineered with heavy-duty materials, it can support up to 60 kilograms, making it perfectly suited for carrying 2 e-bikes or standard bicycles with ease. Setting up the Diamont FG2 is refreshingly straightforward. There's no need for complex tools or installations. Simply attach the carrier to your vehicle's tow hitch, lock it into place, and you're ready to travel. The smart foldable design not only saves space when the carrier is not in use, but also makes storage and handling exceptionally convenient. Once folded, it becomes compact enough to store neatly in your garage or car trunk. What truly sets this bike rack apart is its attention to detail in securing your bikes. It features adjustable frame clamps and sturdy wheel straps that keep your bikes firmly locked in place, even when you're navigating bumpy or uneven terrain. This ensures that your equipment remains protected from knocks, slips, or unnecessary vibrations during transit. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a serious cyclist traveling long distances, the Pro User Diamont FG2 offers a dependable and user-friendly way to transport your bikes wherever your adventures take you. For those passionate about hunting and firearms, the SmartRest Door Pro 2 is an ingenious accessory designed to enhance your shooting experience right from your vehicle. With over 20 million hunting licenses issued annually in the United States alone, this product taps into a large community of outdoor enthusiasts who value precision and convenience. Priced at just $350, this 2-in-1 gun rack system offers an incredible upgrade for anyone looking to improve their setup in the field. What makes this system truly stand out is its versatility and user-friendly design. The mount can be easily installed on either side of your vehicle, catering perfectly to both right and left-handed shooters. This adaptability ensures that no matter your preference, you can maintain a comfortable and stable shooting position without the hassle of awkward setups. Additionally, the SmartRest Door Pro 2 features a built-in spotlight, giving you a significant advantage when visibility is low or conditions are less than perfect. Whether you're hunting during dusk or dawn, this extra lighting helps you stay focused and ready for the shot. One of the key benefits is the system's ability to reduce recoil, allowing for quicker follow-up shots while keeping your aim steady and precise. If you ever find the gun's balance shifting forward during use, the specially designed balancing frame corrects it instantly, ensuring your shooting remains consistent and accurate throughout your adventure. This setup combines comfort, convenience, and performance, making it a must-have for serious hunters who want to maximize their efficiency and enjoyment in the field. Minor collisions and accidental bumps in parking lots can turn into expensive repairs that most drivers would rather avoid. That's where the WeatherTech Bump Step comes in, a practical, dual-purpose accessory designed to safeguard your vehicle from everyday damage while adding functionality. Built from heavy-duty materials and engineered for strength, the Bump Step is easily mounted into any standard 2-inch receiver hitch. Once installed, it serves as a protective barrier, absorbing the impact of low-speed bumps and preventing dents, scratches, and costly repairs to your rear bumper. But its usefulness doesn't stop there. The Bump Step also functions as a sturdy step, providing a safe and reliable way to access your vehicle's roof rack, clean the roof, or load and unload cargo from a rooftop carrier. Whether you drive an SUV, truck, or crossover, this simple addition makes daily tasks easier while offering a level of protection that every vehicle deserves. Installation is quick and requires no special tools. Just slide it into place, secure it, and you're good to go. With the Bump Step, you're not only protecting your investment, but also enhancing your vehicle's convenience in a smart, durable way.